Hello, Showtimers! Today unboxing Real Rotter! Yay! Looks like feels like the Loco Punk. It's the choo-choo train. It's a monster truck now. Loco Punk. Punk. Flames. Yes. Now he's gonna drive it. We're stopping in the next stop. Next stop is Choo Choo Train Loco Punk. And it's the Monster Truck Studio. Here comes the Loco Punk and the show. Jump over. The final stop. Hometown. Stop for now. Okay. Bye-bye. Okay. Choo-choo train. Next train coming out in 10 minutes. 10 minutes later. The flames on this choo-choo train, real rotor. It has a 12 on it. Choo-choo-choo-choo, bye-bye, choo-choo-choo-choo, bye-bye. Bye-bye, choo-choo-choo-choo-choo, bye-bye, Showtimers. Bye-bye, Showtimers. Peace.